Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Subaru WRX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Subaru has less than 62,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.